Pagkaipit nyo po, lapit po kayo sa bride and groom and you say congratulations to them. Let's start with our prosperity dance.
One step closer. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
Pwede niyo pong lapitan ng bride and groom pagkasabit niyo po and you say congratulations to them. We would like to request the relatives of the bride. Pwede niyo pong lapitan. Lagay niyo po ng pangalan ninyo ang inyong mga envelopes na inabot po sa inyo and you can approach our bride and groom. You kindly put the names. Relatives of the groom. Relatives of the bride. Friends of the newlyweds, kasama sa trabaho, kaibigan, kapitbahay, pwede na pong lumapit. Pwede niyo pong lapitan pagkasabit, punta po kayo sa bride and groom, congratulate niyo po sila. You can approach our bride and groom.